This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We come to you daily with short business episodes, short private equity episodes, interviews with brilliant business and private equity leaders, and a lot more. Today's discussion, which stocks should you invest in? And this is a question that's given to me regularly. In fact, this morning, one of the children in the family sent me a stock suggestion and so forth. And she responded that I have a very Midwestern view of investing. So here's the concept. Which stock should you invest in? At the end of the day, the answer is I have no idea. My core invest concept is I'm going to invest in index funds and treasuries with 80-90% of my portfolio. Then if I want to sort of experiment, explore with a handful of stocks, a handful of private equity and venture funds, absolutely fine. But the core concept is, at least with the S&P index, I don't have the random huge ups and downs of any individual stocks. I'm sort of got a mix, and it means generally it doesn't go too far up, doesn't go too far down, because I'm not dealing with one stock that suddenly goes haywire in the wrong direction. I mean, many people, of course, invested in Intel and have found it to be lacking recently. In contrast, Netflix is up 43% year to date, having a great year. In a million years, I could not have predicted that. People that are much smarter than me that spend all their time investing couldn't predict that. So when somebody says to me, which stock should I invest in? I don't really know. I think that your individual stock investing is more like gambling, unless you can invest in a broad diversity of stocks, or you're really gifted and can really focus on a handful of great stocks and really could have conviction around them. So my answer, I don't know. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. We believe in the core portfolio concept, index funds, treasuries, and then explore with a small portion of your portfolio. Thank you for listening again.